We are pleased to show you the 2020 R8, a heritage of performance, luxury, and exquisite detailing. That, quite simply, is what the R8 is all about. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.